If cash surprises keep happening, it is not because the work is not selling. It is because the timing is invisible. In the next 5 minutes, this cash-in projection by project will show exactly when cash is expected to hit the bank by project, so decisions can be made before the gap appears. Okay, so if you run a project-based business, you know this feeling. You're doing amazing work. Projects are humming along, but there's this disconnect, right? A gap between all that effort and the actual cash sitting in your bank account. And it all comes down to one single nagging question. Yeah, that one. It creates this fog, this uncertainty that makes it so hard to plan, to lead with confidence, to make those big, bold moves. I mean, how can you, when your entire business's future really hangs on knowing the real answer to that question? And these questions, they cause some serious anxiety, don't they? I'm sure you're nodding along. Now, the most frustrating part, your accounting software, your traditional tools, they're just not built to help you here. They're great at telling you what happened, what you've already invoiced. They're looking in the rearview mirror, but they have no idea how to forecast what's coming based on how your projects are actually structured. Let's talk about the high cost of all this guessing, because this gap in what you know, it's not just some small inconvenience. No, it has a real tangible cost. It's that star employee you hesitated to hire, that piece of equipment you delayed buying. It's the feeling that you're always reacting to your business instead of proactively shaping its future. I mean, think about your standard accounts receivable report. It shows you what you've built, the customer. It's a snapshot of the past. But look at what it hides. It completely obscures the actual timing of your future cash. You have no real sense of your confidence level on each project. And you definitely don't know your true financial comfort level. And this is what happens, right? This vicious cycle kicks in. The owner asks for a simple cash forecast. The team then spends hours, maybe even days, pulling a bunch of different reports that don't even agree with each other. In the end, leadership is forced to make an educated guess. And the result, big strategic decisions get delayed, or worse, they're just plain wrong because they're based on a guess. Okay, but what if there was a better way? What if you could just close that gap? Imagine having a view that's actually designed for how your business works, one that directly connects the work you're doing and the projects in your pipeline to the real cash you can expect to see in the bank. Now, this is the absolute game changer. It's the ability to finally separate your affirmed cash in. We're talking money from signed, sealed, delivered work that you can 100% count on from your pipeline cash in. The stuff you're hoping for from proposals and estimates. Just making that one distinction completely transforms how you plan. And it gets even better. The system is so smart it uses intelligent Python commentary to basically write a CFO-level summary for you. The key insights just pop right out instantly. No more spending hours digging through spreadsheets. The report literally explains itself. So, what does this all mean? It means you get strategy at a glance. All this clarity gives you those high-level strategic insights you need, all from one single dashboard. It's time to stop digging for data and finally start making those big decisions. So take a look here. Instantly, you can see which project is your biggest cash driver for, say, June. Right away, you know exactly where to focus your team's energy. You can direct your resources to where they're going to have the biggest and most immediate impact on your bank account. And this is brilliant. You can see your financial runway just like that. Which ones might be a little tight and which ones are potentially critical. This is the foresight you've been missing. This is what tells you when it's safe to hire, when to make that big purchase, or when it's time to really tighten the belt. So, who is this for? And retainers, this is built for you. It doesn't matter if you're in construction, you run a creative agency, you're a consultant, whatever it is. This view is designed to connect the unique way you work directly to actual cash in the bank. So, what's the result of all this? It's simple. You go straight to strategy, you spend way less time guessing, and way more time making smart decisions that actually grow your business. We're talking everything from smarter inventory planning to being able to tell a really clear, confident story to your investors. The whole focus shifts from just trying to figure out the numbers to actually using them. And that really brings us to the final critical question you have to ask yourself. Are you managing your cash, or is your cash managing you? Because when you have a truly clear, forward-looking picture of your cash flow, you can finally take control and lead your business with the confidence it deserves.